Yo guys, welcome back to another mobile street photography. On this one, this is something interesting. I was reading a chapter about searching your backyard, and the most common complaint from many people doing street photography, they basically say that my hometown isn't interesting, it doesn't offer any good photo opportunities. So I actually found this really cool exercise about walking on your normal route, but trying to look at it with new eyes, like it's the first time you've ever been down this path or this street. A lot of times people think we need to be at these epic locations to get really good shots, and I kind of blame Instagram for that. We see all these cool feeds and all these interesting places and we think my place sucks. So this is something that I'm going to work on all week, and trying to just look at all my normal routes with new eyes. So check it out.
Alright guys, so I basically was reading those tips about, your backyard is basically golden. And the exercise was to take your normal route, but try to have fresh eyes, like you're seeing things for the first time. And I'm like, whatever, this is probably kind of stupid. So anyways, I'm at work, so I'm deciding, I'm going to go downstairs and get a coffee. Well, there is like a little bit of a 4-minute walk to the vending machine. So I was like, let me try it. I'm just going to try to, this is the first time I've ever walked down this alley. Sure enough, I found this little cat on this post it's been here for a while, because the cat definitely looks aged. But I've walked past this thing hundreds and hundreds of times and never noticed it until right now. Just an example of trying to walk and see things with a new perspective, or your first time ever walking by or down this alley. And I found this little cat. Point made. Check it out.
So this is something you guys should probably try to work on this week if you're into this. Back to the Instagram thing, there are 2 Instagrammers that I've been following who preach this very much, where your hometown has lots of opportunity. One guy's name is Josh Jack, and the other guy is Sean Tuck. Sean Tuck, he lives in London, and he just basically preaches a lot that you don't need to be at exotic places to get good photos. And the cool thing with Josh Jack is he always conceals people's faces. He finds a way to conceal their faces. And all this guy does is just literally walks out of his house and just walks around where he lives and gets some fantastic stuff. So definitely check their pages out. Sean Tuck also has a YouTube page. I'll put his link down in the description. He's a big motivator for me right now. So enough of my jibber jabber, guys. Keep filming. This is Patrick LeVar. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.